This is David with Liberty Suppressors. What we've got is a Thompson Machine SG. It's an XD 2.0. It's their 9mm subgun can. This can is in current factory trim as received from Thompson Machine. Now, we're not going to get slide action, but it's got a high-pitched tone to it, doesn't it? Now I'm having to cycle it, of course, because there's no booster. This thing sounds beautiful. We're hearing the dirt bank and it's louder than the gun. Let's see. If I can get one across the holler, we hear it cut through the tree line. There's the swamp right down there. Hitting that mud. That's it. That's incredible. Yeah, that's gonna sound good, dude.